Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the month of Ramadan, the Holy Prophet not only just prayed more, fasted and did tabligh, but he also used to recite Qur'an in tartil, in a very beautiful voice, and many times he did i'tikaf. So alayhi salam, basically seclusion, so you basically break off from people. So the whole concept is to cut yourself off from dunya. Masumin alayhi salam, the infallibles, they do not indulge into the world, but even they many times became upset or were hurt by the practices of the people towards them, and hence they needed some time between them and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And especially they were going to be getting new message or a scheme of action from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the grand night. So generally, تَنَزَّلُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَالرُّوحُ فِيهَا بِإِذْنِ رَبِّهِمْ مِنْ كُلِّ أَمْرٍ. Malaika, the angels, and ruh, the soul, the spirit, reveal, they come down from the heavens to earth in this grand night. So basically they are preparing, their preparation is to receive that message. So it's basically the grand night is for them to prepare for a special plan of action from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So they used to spend more time between them and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so they could receive that revelation from Allah in the grand night in Laylat al-Qadr, which was basically every affair, kull amr, every affair, every command from Allah about rizq, about what will happen, how things will unfold, and what their responsibilities and duties for the whole year are. So as an imam or the Holy Prophet ﷺ or the imams, they had the whole preparation for that. So alayhi salam are also seen as preparing, for the poor people, feeding them, and during the nights it is seen that they actually go to the orphans and the widows and take them food, and the poor people are continuously being fed. So Ahlul Bayt spend more time reading the Holy Qur'an and the nightly prayers, and also with those ibadat they would prepare for the grand night. A lot of recitation in the of the Holy Qur'an in this month. We have traditions where the imams, for example, Imam Sadiq al-Islam used to finish up to 40 Qur'ans in 1 month. So he would read the Holy Qur'an 40 times in this month. That is more than 1 Qur'an a day. So one night they would finish, and then the next day they're probably reading another. So that is or probably the Laylat al-Qadr. So 30 every night, and then Fridays and Thursdays probably reading more Qur'ans, which are weekends in the Islamic calendar. So they spent a lot of time reciting the Holy Qur'an in this month, and preparing their children. They would also wake up their children for the main nights, and their families, giving time to them and also preparing them for this world and for the ibadat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you for listening.